Headed to downtown Boise to go to a mastermind event. It's part of this group I'm a part of called 2 Club X, which is Russell Brunson's group, but Alex Sharfin is doing a training on team building and scaling your business, and he's awesome. And just showing you kind of what a day in the life is like on these kind of days. Normally I have an amazing gal, Sharcy, who helps me with the kids so I can work from 9 to 5, but I had to leave at 7:30 today, so I called the 14-year-old neighbor girl to come over, Scarlett, and watch the kids. And then they're with their dad tonight, and so it actually just ended up working out that when he drops them off, it's about the same time I'll be home. Let me just send this to Sharcy. Hey, I just was gonna box her because I'm driving and I don't want to text. Okay, a couple things. So Scarlett's at the house now with the kids. I told the kids that they need to clean the basement, get dressed, brush their teeth, make their beds, but I don't know if that will actually happen before you get there. So if you could make sure they do that. And then I made all those waffles yesterday, so I told Charlotte to just warm up some those protein waffles for them, but again, I don't know if she'll do it. So just because it's early, you know, the kids might not want to eat, so they can have that for breakfast. And then if you can just make sure that I told Lincoln he needs to, that's the reason the dishes are still out, the dirty dishes, is because I told Lincoln he has to unload the dishwasher, load the dishwasher, and then they have to kind of let Charlie out to go to the bathroom, and before they can do iPads or play with friends or anything like that. So Sheridan's going to pick them up at 4 from the house, and then I'll be home when he drops them off. So, okay, if you need anything, just text me. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm so ready for this. I've been preparing. By the way, did you hear that walk-on music? That was custom by Justin. Mike, can we play that one more time? Because it's so cool. The guy's going to sound a little like he already is screwing with us. It's cool. Justin, Mike, right there.
And my teammates and my business in general, so it's great.
And you're only
what's that?
1 weekend?
Well, yeah, 8 days. Within 3 or 4 days, actually, it started screwing.
Yes. We're giving it away here, so you guys are. Right there. All right, let's see. First pass. Yes. Who you allow into your head, who you allow to influence you, and who you allow yourself to learn from, because you will become like them in every way, good and bad. So I am obsessively careful about who I work with, who I partner with, and who I learn from. And there is very few people that I hold as high regard as Russell Brunson. And yesterday I had the opportunity to spend a couple hours with him when we landed here in Boise. And I can confirm for all of you that everything you believe about who he is and how he is with his family and how he treats the people around him is absolutely 100% genuine and real.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm here. Because Russell, a year ago in July, we went to Pirates Cove, we took our family out there, and because everything that makes us look powerful and strong and capable and real, when we're under constraint, our personality turns against us. And we can look damaged and disordered and disabled and incapable. How many of you know that's true? Guys, I'll be very candid with you. I, like many of you, throughout my life, has sought professional help.
Right on his chest, and they're dead asleep together. All the couches that lays
Okay, everybody's headed back to lunch. We got Steven and Julie, Brad.
It's like, holy crap. And I don't have perspective of stage 4 cancer. I know how hard it is to start a business, but for a lot of people, it feels like you're dying. It feels like you can't get purchase or momentum. So starting a business is incredibly hard. Being in a room like this changes everything. Some of you have mentioned it. that going into that lunchroom and sharing what was on your sheet made you feel normal? How many of you realize by sharing out loud that, holy crap, this can become an echo chamber where we're just constantly judging ourselves? And until we hear other people, it's like, man, I'm not that bad off. How many of you listen to somebody else's listen to table and you're like, damn, I'm doing good? And so the more we know about what's going on, the easier it gets. So this is where you start. And then we move along as a business owner and we finally get help. We get that first person in.
Okay, so I don't know how interesting this vlog was to many of you, but I just wanted to, I think I show sometimes like the outdoor stuff, but I don't always show some of the business side, and I know that there's a lot of you that are curious about that. So investing in masterminds, investing in good coaching, good training is one of the best decisions I ever made when I was growing my company. So I'm a part of Russell Brunson's Inner Circle and his 2 Comma Club X training. It's, like, in my opinion, the best out there. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.